Greetings everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to create a travel itinerary using ChatGPT. Whether we are planning a weekend getaway or a month-long adventure, ChatGPT can help us craft a detailed and personalized travel plan. So without any further delay, let's get started. Imagine we are in our final year of university and planning for our first solo mountain trek. As this is a complete new adventure, we may not be aware of the essential items needed for a smooth experience. GPT can serve as our companion and guide us on such journeys, providing the ability to generate effective plans, travel itineraries, list of good restaurants, sightseeing recommendations, and much more. Let's navigate to the chat box and write a prompt like, "Hey GPT, give me a list of all the things I should carry for my trek to the mountains." The response illustrates how GPT can be incredibly useful in everyday scenarios. By providing detailed and organized information, GPT helps us plan efficiently and ensures you don't forget any essential items for your journey. Now that we have created an extensive checklist of all the things that we need to carry for our trek, we can ask GPT to further create a travel itinerary for us with the help of simple prompt like, "Can you help me plan a daily itinerary for my 7-day mountain trek?" And as we can see, GPT has suggested activities, places to visit, and rest stops for each of the day of the trek. We can further refine these suggestions by specifying our fitness level, desired pace, and any specific landmarks or trails that we want to include. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a versatile tool that can assist us in planning and organizing our trips with ease. From generating packing checklists to creating detailed itineraries, GPT ensures that we have all the information we need for a successful and enjoyable adventure. So, next time we are planning for a trip, remember to leverage the power of GPT to make our preparations smooth and stress-free. The itinerary created by ChatGPT can serve as a helpful starting point for our travel guide. However, it is always advisable to connect with someone who has previously visited the area or a local resident, as they possess valuable insights and detailed knowledge about the location. Mountains are among the most beautiful creations of nature, but they also present many challenges. Ensuring our safety in such terrains should be the top priority, especially when traveling solo. That concludes this lecture. Stay safe and happy trekking.